How to get discount code worth 26% and more on Oculus. Hey guys, let's get started. First of all, head over to any of your browser and go to the website couponfollow.com. Now from the menu, select on Oculus coupon codes and you will see amazing discount offers as well as code which are verified and have the expiry date as well. But make sure that you confirm it is verified and the expiry date is on. Then you can tap on it to open. Now you can just copy the code and tap on redeem at Oculus. It will open the Meta's Quest from where you can add it to your option. Once you have added to your option, while checking out, you have the option to redeem the code as well. Likewise, you can go back to the previous page and check out for other options and discount codes as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.